What is the most thirst-tolerant animal? The most thirst-tolerant animal is the kangaroo rat, which is able to survive without drinking water for its entire life. This small rodent has adapted to desert environments and obtains all the moisture it needs from the seeds it consumes. The kangaroo rat is able to conserve water through efficient kidney function and by producing concentrated urine. What is the fastest bird in the world?
The fastest bird in the world is the peregrine falcon, known for its incredible speed during hunting dives, or stoops. When diving to catch prey, peregrine falcons can reach speeds over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour. That's quite a breathtaking speed.
How many hearts does an octopus have? That's absolutely right. Octopuses do indeed have 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts are responsible for pumping blood to the gills, where oxygen is absorbed, while the 3rd heart pumps oxygenated blood throughout the rest of the body. The copper-based blood of octopuses, unlike the iron-based blood in humans, is less efficient at carrying oxygen. The 3-heart system helps compensate for this by ensuring efficient oxygen distribution throughout their bodies, supporting their active and intelligent lifestyles underwater. How many times a year can female cats give birth? Female cats are capable of giving birth multiple times in a year under optimal conditions. Cats are induced ovulators, which means they ovulate in response to mating. A female cat can go into heat several times throughout the breeding season, which generally occurs during the spring and summer months. If they mate successfully each time they go into heat, they can potentially have multiple litters in a year. However, it's essential to note that excessive breeding can lead to health issues in both the mother and kittens, so responsible breeding practices are important to ensure the well-being of the animals. What is the fastest animal in the world?
Cheetahs are the world's fastest land animal, capable of reaching speeds of up to 70 mph. Standing at about 30 inches tall at the shoulder and weighing between 110 and 140 pounds, they have long, graceful legs, a small, rounded head on a long neck, a very flexible spine, a deep chest, special pads on their feet that help with traction, and a long tail that is used for balance at top speed. The cheetah is also the only cat that cannot retract its claws, providing more traction. They also have distinctive black tear tracks that run from the corner of each eye to their mouth and provide anti-glare protection for daytime hunting.
Ever met a reptile that's the ultimate master of disguise, changing colors like a living rainbow? Chameleons are indeed fascinating creatures, especially known for their remarkable ability to change color and blend seamlessly into their environment. Here are some detailed insights into their extraordinary camouflage abilities. Color change mechanism. Chameleons have specialized cells called chromatophores in their skin layers. These cells contain pigments and can expand or contract, allowing the chameleon to adjust the colors visible to the eye. They can exhibit a wide range of colors, from greens and browns to yellows, reds, and blues. Environmental adaptation. Their color-changing ability isn't just for camouflage, it's also for communication, thermoregulation, and emotions. Chameleons change colors in response to various environmental factors, such as light, temperature, mood.
What is the bird with the longest migration journey?
Arctic terns are truly fascinating birds known for their incredible migratory feats. Here are some detailed insights into these remarkable creatures. Migratory prowess. Arctic terns have one of the longest migrations of any animal. They travel from their breeding grounds in the Arctic, typically near the North Pole, to their wintering grounds in the Antarctic, near the South Pole, and then make the return journey each year. This round-trip migration spans around 44,000 miles, 70,900 kilometers, or more. Breeding and nesting. These birds breed in colonies across Arctic and subarctic regions. They build nests on the ground using grasses and other materials, often in open tundra or rocky areas near water bodies. Physical characteristics. Arctic terns are slender, medium-sized birds with a wingspan of about 25 to 30 inches, 63 to 76 centimeters. They have a white body, a black cap on their head, and deeply forked tails. Their streamlined bodies and long wings aid in their impressive migratory flights. Foraging and diet. They primarily feed on small fish, crustaceans, and insects, which they catch by diving into the water or by picking them off the surface. Longevity. Arctic terns can live for over 30 years, and during their lifetime, they may cover a distance equivalent to traveling to the moon and back multiple times due to their extensive migrations. Navigation and orientation. It's believed that Arctic terns use various cues for navigation during their migration, including the Earth's magnetic field, celestial cues such as the position of the sun, and possibly even visual landmarks along their route. Conservation status. While they are not considered globally threatened, some populations of Arctic terns face challenges due to habitat degradation, climate change affecting their breeding grounds, and disturbances at their nesting sites. Arctic terns' incredible migration is a testament to their adaptability and navigational abilities, making them one of the most impressive migratory species in the animal kingdom.
Can you name the tiniest mammal?
Bumblebee bat, also known as Kitty's hog-nosed bat, Crassionycterus thonglangii, holds the title of being the world's smallest mammal. Here are some detailed insights into these tiny creatures. Size. Bumblebee bats are incredibly small, with adults measuring around 1.1 to 1.3 inches, 2.8 to 3.3 centimeters, in length and weighing only about 2 grams, 0.07 ounces, roughly the weight of a dime. Habitat. These bats are native to limestone caves found in a few locations in Thailand and Myanmar. They prefer living in colonies within these caves, roosting in cracks and crevices. Appearance. Despite their small size, bumblebee bats have a distinctive appearance. They have reddish-brown or grayish fur, a pig-like snout, and their ears are nearly transparent. Feeding habits. Bumblebee bats primarily feed on insects, including small beetles and flies. They hunt at night, and use echolocation to navigate and locate their prey in the dark. Reproduction. These bats typically give birth to one offspring per mating season. The young bat, called a pup, is nurtured and cared for by the mother. Conservation status. Bumblebee bats are classified as endangered on the IUCN Red List due to their limited range and habitat destruction. Factors such as disturbance in their cave habitats, mining activities, and potential agricultural expansion threaten their survival. Importance to ecosystem. Despite their small size, bumblebee bats play a role in controlling insect populations within their habitats. As insectivores, they help maintain the balance of insect populations, which is crucial for the ecosystem. These tiny bats represent an incredible example of adaptation to a specialized niche within their limited geographical range. Their unique size and endangered status make them an important focus for conservation efforts aimed at preserving their habitats and ensuring their survival in the wild. Which animal boasts an exceptionally long lifespan, living for centuries?
The Greenland shark. Some individuals can live for over 400 years. Greenland sharks, Somniosus microcephalus, are intriguing creatures known for their exceptional characteristics. Here are detailed insights into these fascinating sharks' size and appearance. Greenland sharks are among the largest shark species, with adults typically ranging from 13 to 16 feet, 4 to 5 meters, in length, although some individuals have been recorded at sizes exceeding 20 feet, 6 meters. They have a robust, stocky body and a unique grayish-brown coloration. Habitat. These sharks inhabit the cold, deep waters of the North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans, particularly around Greenland, hence their name. They prefer deep, subarctic and Arctic waters, often residing at depths of around 6,500 feet, 2,000 meters, or more. Feeding habits. Greenland sharks are opportunistic feeders and primarily scavengers. Their diet includes a variety of prey such as fish, seals, smaller sharks, and even carrion. Their slow movement and scavenging habits are thought to be linked to their deep sea environment. Long lifespan. One of the most remarkable aspects of Greenland sharks is their incredibly long lifespan. Some individuals are estimated to live for several centuries. Studies based on radiocarbon dating of eye lenses suggest that some Greenland sharks could live for over 400 years, making them among the longest-lived vertebrates on Earth. Slow growth rate. Greenland sharks grow at an exceptionally slow rate, which contributes to their longevity. It's believed that they grow only a few centimeters per year, which is significantly slower compared to most other shark species. Adaptations to cold waters. These sharks have adapted to survive in frigid waters by having a slow metabolism, allowing them to conserve energy in the cold temperatures of the deep ocean. Conservation status of Greenland sharks face threats such as bycatch and fishing gear, given their slow reproductive rate and late maturity. They are currently listed as near threatened on the IUCN Red List due to the lack of comprehensive population data and potential threats from fishing activities. Greenland sharks remain mysterious and enigmatic due to their deep-sea habitat and unique biology. Their extraordinary longevity and adaptations to extreme environments continue to fascinate researchers studying these ancient and resilient creatures.